Welcome, builders, to the workshop. First and foremost, allow me to apologize for my behavior outside and rushing you all in like that, but if you were not aware, the first order is at the outpost. We needed to be sure you were here for the right reason. Now that you are inside, I know it's a little dark, it's a little dusty. To us, all this is everything. Allow me to introduce ourselves. I'm Priscilla and Tristan. My name is Carlos, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We scour the galaxy looking for ancient artifacts and relics. Whether it was the frozen tundra of Ilum, the forgotten battlefields of Geonosis, and even the forbidden temples of Moorhead. We take those artifacts and relics and we bring them back here for all of you. Because as gatherers, we know the importance of preserving our past in order to ensure our future. And with both the Resistance and the First Order arriving at the outpost, you can all tell that our future is looking a little bleak. But legends in the past, such as you may have heard of, like Luke Skywalker, have answered the call before. You have heard of him, yes?
Yeah.
Oh, excellent.
Luke.
Well, now there's a new Jedi. One who also may have heard of him. What was her name? Rey. Our spark of hope. You're all here answering the same call that Luke and Rey did. But above all, you're here to build this. The lightsaber. It is elegant and enigmatic. It is our connection to the Force, wielded by our greatest heroes and their strongest foes. It is a direct reflection of its builder, the building of which is an art. At its core, the Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It focuses and magnifies the power of the Force into your blade. The color crystal you choose will depict the color of your blade. And the Gatherers and I have 4 for you to choose from today. They were not easy to obtain. But let's start with blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now our spark of hope, Rey. Green. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and Master Yoda himself. Violet. Rare and beautiful. Once wielded by Master Mace Windu. Finally, red. The crystal of power.
If you love
Was
her,
wielded by Darth Vader, Darth Maul,
you'll get purple.
Asajj Ventress, and today, by Kylo Ren. But enough of those legends and their stories. Today we're here to focus and build upon yours, as well as choose your own Kyber crystals, which I'm sure you're all eager to do. So if you can all please close your eyes and keep them closed, no peeking. I'm literally 2 feet in front of you. Envision the Kyber crystal that is calling to you. Hold that image within your heart, for it will become the heart of your lightsaber. Please open your eyes. If you have not already, please place that crystal in the green holder in front of you. I'm placing the parts to your hilt in the selections that you made previously in front of you. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of control. Perhaps most importantly, it prevents your fingers from getting disintegrated. Now we know there are several pieces in front of you, some of which they look a little foreign, but do not be overwhelmed. And together, we will explore. Beginning with your chest, which will house your Kyber crystal. Sections 1 and 2, your grips. Section 3, your emitters, where your blade will come out of. Section 4, your end caps to secure your power cell at the bottom. And finally, Section 5, your activation plates, the on and off switch. Now builders, are we ready to build?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Are we ready to build?
Yes!
Let's build.
Builders are your starters. Yes, you guys have to wait. These boards to the top. There's 3 plates.
take your kyber crystal and place it in your housing chamber and center your chamber. Now that's what you'll easily accomplish if you use your kyber crystal to kind of push up on that housing chamber. And the balloon on top of the balloon.
Twist it until it stops. This is going to be the bottom.
Next, you'll go to sections 1 and 2. Sections 1 and 2.
You like it? Can I take a look?
Great job, Billy.
Alright, so this is going to be your activation switch. When we say activate, okay? Yep, and then you're going to push it forward, alright? Good job.
Good choice. Good.
For the gatherers to come around and place your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. This is to ensure your kyber crystals like their new homes, as well as ensuring your emitter matrices are not inverted. The results can get interesting and Priscilla in the workshop explosive. But, looks like we're doing well so far.
Perfect. It's fine.
It's time to forge the Tristan, what's going on?
Well done. Chosen a part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Wow! Master Yoda! Builders, the Force must be strong in this room. And he's right. It is time. In just a moment, I'm going to ask you all to take a step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and activate your lightsabers. But, as with every step we've taken thus far, we're going to do so together. Builders, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Step forward. Hands on your hilts. Activate.
Excuse me.
Raise your sabers high. For you have just built a lightsaber. It came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Congratulations, builders. The bond has been completed. Lower and deactivate your saber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. But most importantly, thank all of you builders for seeking us out today. You've each crafted sabers that are as unique